Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by specifying dimensions and materials for a stable glider jet. Aim for a 1-2-meter wingspan foam fuselage with 5 mm core and carbon spar for stiffness. Design a swept wing with 3.5 degrees dihedral and ailerons spanning 2/3 of each wing to balance roll response and stability. Select propulsion and control. A 2200 mAh3's battery powering a 180-gram electric ducted fan, 2 9-gram servos for aileron and elevator, and a lightweight 4-channel receiver to manage flight surfaces and throttle. Assemble the airframe using 5-minute epoxy for structural bonds and reinforce high-stress joints with fiberglass tape. Clamp parts until the resin cures. Install the 9-gram servos in molded bays, link pushrods with nylon connectors, and set initial control throws to 10 degrees for elevator and 12 degrees for ailerons for predictable responses during tests. Fit the 2200 mAh3's battery forward enough to achieve a center of gravity at 25% of the wing chord measured from the leading edge. Adjusting placement with foam shims as before flying, perform a full range check on the 4-channel radio and verify that all control surfaces move to commanded positions with no binding or slop. Select calm conditions under 8 km/h wind for the maiden flight and set up a recovery area. Perform a gentle hand launch at a 45-degree angle while applying slight up elevator to establish climb without stalling. Trim the glider to neutral and then fine-tune with 1-click increments until you achieve a straight glide. Test a full power run for 5 seconds to confirm thrust and cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.